Now you may go to the gym, you may exercise every day, you may diet, you may do whatever you do, but there are certain areas on your body that really the fat is extremely stubborn. This will allow you to target those areas. It is extremely effective. The benefits of using this machine is that you do not have to have any surgical procedure, you do not have to have any liposuction procedure, and you do not have to go under any procedure that's going to cause you discomfort or be invasive. This is a very non-invasive machine, and it's a fairly comfortable machine to use as well. UltraSlim Pro is suitable for the majority of people. As expected though, there are some groups of people that should not use this machine. For example, people that are pregnant or who have a pacemaker. If you have any underlying medical condition, then please check your manual to see if you're suitable for the treatments. As soon as you start the treatment, the first thing you will notice is a high-pitched sound in your ears. This just means that the machine is actually working and it's doing its job. At some point you may also feel some warming of the skin, some tingling sensation. That means that the machine is having the optimum performance. You're getting the best results. Just because you don't get that all the time does not mean it's not working. It is always working once you're hearing your high-pitched tone. You've got to be very careful that you don't hit any of the bone areas. You don't want to go near the bone. Not that it will have a problem with the bone, but you haven't got much fat there. With the gel, it comes with a nice little applicator, which is nice to be able to pick up and spread on your skin. It is really important that you take a little bit of the gel and you apply it to the head of your UltraSlim as well. It just means that you get a better conductivity, and also the head can slide better over the gelled area of your body. The fatty areas that are preset in your machine are the most stubborn fat areas and where you have the most localized fat on your body anyway. So please don't deviate from these areas. Do not use on the face, do not use on the chin, anywhere on your back or anywhere on your joints or the bony areas. My recommendation is that any area that you're using on your body, so let's demonstrate, say we're doing the inner thighs, you want to get the majority of fat that you can while you're using the machine, and the easiest way to do that is to be able to bunch the fat up as much as you can. So if you can sit somewhere that is going to put some pressure on you to give you that amount of fat surface, then that's going to be a better situation for you. You can hold the area and you just use this. This means that the machine is literally targeting a lot of that fatty area on you. Using the machine in circular motions works well. Using the machine up and down slowly works well. But you really need to make sure that you cover every surface area. Doing underarms, you do this, putting a little pressure on the underarms is going to help as well, because you can't actually have an arm up, have a hand on here and hold some fat there. So put a little more pressure on the underarm. Try and push the machine into holding the area that has the fat. Like you can tell, without the gel it won't move as smoothly. With the gel onto the handset you'll get that nice smooth movement. Being able to take it and push up into the buttocks area, that will again make sure that the ultrasound is being put up into that fatty area. So be able to push and push. Take your abdomen area, and my recommendation to you is use your central line, and it's nice that you have your pubic line and your diaphragm line that you can use in between and just go up and down. Again, you can also rotate. It's your choice. It's how comfortable you feel, whether you want to go up, down or around. It's going to do the same thing. So to start your program, set yourself a goal. Be realistic about it. Check yourself, make sure you're in a healthy enough condition to be able to start using your UltraSlim Pro. Get yourself a tape measure and a little notebook. The best thing to do, write down the dates, write down your measurements and record them as you go along.